Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: how to decrypt an IPA file. IPA files are the packages for iOS apps, much like an exe on Windows. But the main program inside is encrypted using Apple's FairPlay DRM, making it hard to study or analyze. We'll break down the entire process of how to remove this encryption, which is essential for security research, bug hunting, and general educational purposes. It is very important to state that this process should only be performed on applications you legally own and for the purpose of learning, not for piracy or any other illegal activity. The most critical piece of the puzzle, and something you absolutely must have, is a jailbroken iOS device. This process is impossible without one because the decryption keys are unique to your device and Apple ID, and the decryption can only happen on the device itself while the app is running. You will also need the target application installed from the official App Store onto this jailbroken device. With those prerequisites out of the way, let's discuss the tools. On your computer, which can be a Mac, Windows, or Linux machine, you'll need to set up a few things. The first step is to ensure you have Python installed. After that, you'll install a powerful framework called Frida. You can do this by opening your terminal or command prompt and running a simple command: pip install Frida tools. The second major step for your computer is to download a specialized decryption script. A very popular and effective one is called frida-dump, which you can easily find on GitHub. Just clone the repository and follow its instructions to install any required dependencies. Now, let's switch over to your jailbroken iPhone or iPad. On the device, you need to install the Frida server, which allows your computer to communicate with the phone's applications. You can do this by adding the official Frida repository source in your package manager, like Cydia, Cilio, or Zebra, and then simply searching for and installing the Frida package. Once the setup on both your computer and device is complete, you can finally proceed with the decryption. Connect your jailbroken device to your computer with a USB cable. You'll need to establish a connection, which often involves port forwarding using a tool like eProxy. Then, on your computer, open a terminal and navigate to the directory where you downloaded frida-dump. When you run the main Python script, it will scan your device and present you with a list of all the installed applications. Find the app you wish to decrypt in the list and enter its corresponding number or name. The script will then work its magic. It automatically injects into the application, finds the decrypted binary in the device's memory as it runs, dumps it to your computer, and then packages it into a new, completely decrypted IPA file. And that's it. You now have a decrypted IPA, ready for your security analysis. Thank you so much for watching and following along with this detailed guide. If you found this tutorial useful and want to see more deep dives into technical topics like this, please consider supporting the channel. Every like, comment, and especially a subscription helps tremendously and motivates me to create more high-quality content for you. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.